has a while since we talk like this. Campus has been super stressful lately, right?
Yeah, I feel like every day just test, class, and deadlines.
Same here, I miss relaxing talking about something fun.
Speaking of fun, what hobbies has you been into recently?
I've been reading a lot. It helps me relax and escape from college stress.
And I love watching movies, but sadly for now I have to focus on the final exam before I can watch movie again.
I understand, same here. Even though I want to keep reading every night, I also was have control myself because final exam is getting close.
Yeah, I feel it too. I want to cook new recipe, but I have to reduce it for now because I need to prepare for final exams.
By the way, how do you girl feel about the final exam? Nervous?
A bit, especially because we want good grades. If we try to balance studying and hobbies at the same time, will make it us more productive or will distract us from preparing for the exam?
Great question. I think we can still do our hobbies sometimes, but not too much, just to keep our minds relaxed.
Let's talk about happier things. What are your plans after final exam?
I, I am planning to go back to my hometown, cook for my family, and enjoy the time.
That sounds nice. I will go on a family vacation after final exam, maybe to the beach, and I'll take novels with me.
For me, after final exam, I will go home too and finally watch movies again with my siblings.
So, if we all follow our holidays plans and focus on our hobbies later, will it make us feel more ready for the next semester? And how can we motivate each other to stay consistent?
Maybe we can share our update in a group chat every week.
Yeah, I like holiday hobby progress. That sounds fun.
Deal, after final access we work on our dreams and after holiday we meet again.
And we'll share all our story.
I can't wait.
Let's survive